phases of growth, we have already studied about growth. Growth is a permanent and irreversible increase in an organism or in the plant body or its organ. Now today we are going to study easiest topic and important topic, that is phases of growth. There are three phases of growth. Means growth takes place in three phases. First phase is called as phase of cell division, or it is also called as phase of formation. Another one, phase of enlargement, it is also called as phase of elongation, and last one is phase of maturation, it is also called as phase of differentiation. Okay, now first we will start with phase of cell division, which is also called as phase of formation. It is also called as phase of meristematic region. Okay, now see what happens here. Here the cells, in this phase, the cell is a thin walled. Why the nature had given thin walled? Because they have to continuously divide and redivide. That's why here in cell division, when the cells are formed, they are thin walled, nucleus is prominent and with granular cytoplasm. But one thing you might have noticed here, no vacuoles are present. That's why the cells are very small in size. Okay, now here what happens, what type of division is taking place here in the first phase? When a single cell undergoes mitosis, it gives rise to two cells. And out of these two cells, this one cell becomes maturated, means it do not undergo further division. It becomes maturated, or you can say it undergoes differentiation, and it starts performing its own function. But this second cell, it undergoes a cell division, it becomes a meristematic cell. Means what is exactly happening here? Out of two cells, half of the cell are becoming mature or differentiated, and only half is getting divided. Okay, that's why here the rate of growth is at a slow rate. Means this phase is also called as lag phase. Okay, this first phase is called as phase of cell division. It is also called as phase of formation. Here the cells are thin walled. Here their nucleus is prominent and they have granular cytoplasm. Here out of two cells, when the cell divides mitotically, out of two cells, one cell becomes matured and one cell undergoes division. Okay, here because of this condition only, the cell growth is at a slower rate. That's why it is also called as lag phase. So second is phase of enlargement, or it is also called as phase of elongation. See what happens here. Here the newly formed cells are getting enlarged. Why they are getting enlarged? Only because of the presence of vacuole. If vacuoles are present, means the cell will get enlarged. Vacuoles and other materials are also forming over here inside the cell, and because of this, the cell becomes osmotically active. Osmotically active means it starts receiving water, endoosmosis takes place, or it absorbs water, and naturally the cell becomes turgid. Turgid cell means there is increase in the length and the breadth of the cell. So here naturally the very fast the growth is taking place, elongation, enlargement is taking place. That's why here the growth rate is at faster rate, means this phase is also called as exponential phase, and it is also called as log phase. Now see, last phase is maturation phase, or it is also called as differentiation phase. Now the name is only indicating what is exactly happening here. Here the cells, they are not dividing. Now they are getting matured, or they are getting differentiated. Some becomes xylem, some becomes phloem, parenchyma, collenchyma, sclerenchyma, and they start doing their own function. Suppose the cell get differentiated or matured into xylem, they will start conducting water. Suppose the cell becomes phloem, they starts conducting food. Means now they are not doing the process of cell division. They started doing their own function other than except cell division. Okay, so what happens here? Naturally the growth is not taking place because they started doing their own function. So growth slows down, and one stage comes when the growth becomes steady or stationary. So here we have studied phases of growth, three phases. One is phase of cell division or formation, phase of enlargement or elongation, and phase of maturation and differentiation.